Hello everyone, myself Anshul Purvar, and now we are here to discuss about FMEA. FMEA is a failure mode effective analysis process. It is used as a risk management tool in project management. Risk management is a key component in an ISO 9001-2015. So, what is risk management? Risk management is an element that inherent in a most project because no project goes exactly according to the plan. That is, inherent uncertainty in the project create a risk associated with it. The first, avoid or eliminate risk. This can be done by identifying an alternate solution which eliminates the risk. The second, transfer risk. It can be identified by transferring the impact of risk, example, insurance. Third, assume risk. The manager can assume the risk and decide to deal with it when the need arises. Fourth, prevent or mitigate risk. The manager can plan on some preventive action in order to mitigate the impact of risk by utilizing suitable risk management tool. So, FMEA is a risk management tool. A manager can make use of various risk management tools. One such tool is a FMEA. FMEA stands for Failure Mode Effective Analysis and has two variants. First is Product FMEA and second is Process FMEA. Now we will discuss how to construct a FMEA table. First is function. This field describes the functions of the products or process. The second thing is failure mode. This describes the various potential failure modes. The third is effect. This describes the effect of each potential failure modes. The fourth, severity rating. This is a numeric ranking describing the severity of the failure effect. Fifth, causes. This is used to identify and document the potential causes of each failure. Sixth is occurrence rating, a numeric ranking describing the probability of occurrence. Seventh is current controls. These are the controls which are used to prevent the causes of the failure. Eighth is detection rating. It is an assessment of a likelihood of decision of the failure. Ninth is critical characteristic. Measurement and indicators that reflect safety or compliance with government regulation and need special control. 10th is risk priority number. This is a multiple of various number and is an indicator of overall risk. It is used to prioritize items for action. 11th is recommended action and target completion date. This ensures a fixed target date for incorporating the recommendations. The 12th is action taken. This is a follow-up to the recommended actions. Now, as you see on your screen, there is a template of FMEA. In this, the first column is potential failure mode. In this, you will identify a manner in which your part could fail or your process could fail. The second column is potential effects of failure. In this, consequences on other system, parts or people, noises, unstable, inoperative, impaired manners can be identified. Then there is a column of severity. Here you identify the severity of that particular potential failure mode from the rating of 1 to 9. The 1 being the no effect and the 9th being the hazardous with the warning. Then there is a potential causes for mechanism of failure. It is a list of every potential causes and of failure mechanism: incorrect material, improper maintenance, fatigue, wear, etc. Then there is an occurrence rating. You rate it from 1 to 9, 1 being the very low and 9 being the very high. And the next column is current process control prevention and current process control detection. In this, you will identify the control and preventive action and a detection process. The next is detection. In this, the detection rate varies from 1 to 9, 1 being the almost certain, and 9 being the very remote. Then there is a column of RPN. This is the risk priority number. As we studied before, risk priority number is the multiple of various number and is an indicator of overall risk, and it is used to prioritize items for action. RPN is calculated by multiplying your severity number, your occurrence number and your detection number. Once you calculate risk priority number, you'll categorize the highest risk on the top and the lowest risk on the bottom. After calculating risk priority number, we will prioritize it from highest to lowest. Then you work on the highest RPN number and try to prepare a control plan and work on how to mitigate this risk. Thank you for watching us. If you have any questions, doubts or query, you can write a mail on our email ID given below.